Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Matters Daily. Today we're covering 2 easy ways to track your spending and take control of your finances. First, try using budgeting apps like Mint, In-App, or Pocket Guard. These apps link to your bank accounts, categorize your transactions, and help you set budgets and spending limits. They offer real-time updates and alerts to keep you on track. If you prefer a hands-on approach, consider manual tracking. Use a spending journal or printable budget sheet to record every expense. Categorize your spending to spot trends and areas to cut back. This method takes a bit more effort but gives you a clearer picture of where your money is going. Which method will you choose? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Money Matters Daily, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.